Hi, thanks for joining me on another Nature Walk Talk. Well, here I am with Soren, an incredible troll in the middle of the Maine Botanical Gardens. And as you can see, sometimes we all feel like this. I mean, where our hands are up in the air, our legs are flailing about, our hair is a mess, and we just don't know what to do. But this particular troll has a real connection to trees and is a place where animals and insects can live and thrive. And even though these trees may look messy, they are homes for so much. And so many, and they're great habitat. So even when you feel like this, understand that there's still possibility for growth. And I know this may be a stretch, but thanks for joining me on this Nature Walk Talk. Bye-bye.
Hi.